bucket full of water and some natural fiber or cotton strings. Cut the strings to appropriate length. Put one edge of the string in the bucket. Cover the bucket or any container which you are using to avoid excess evaporation. After some time, you can see that the strings had started dripping. Now, at this time, you can put these strings in the pot you want to. In this way, the plant gets continuous water supply. Whenever I go out of the house for few days, this is how I arrange to water my plants. In this way, I save my plants from dying and thus help the environment.
Harvesting is a very ancient method of storing water. It generally gets wasted if it does not percolate into the soil. As you all know that we are living in the times of extreme water shortage and saving is our furthermost priority. Here there is a model of rainwater harvesting in which the rainwater gets collected on the rooftops, goes into the tank with the help of pipes and gets filtered for the household purposes. Here we have shown the difference between traditional and modern ways of irrigation. In the modern irrigation, drip irrigation is one of them.